and welcome. I have Vishal Garg with me who cleared his exam in commerce subject in December 2019. That's very recent. How are you feeling about this success of yours?
Hi ma'am. Hi ma'am. I'm feeling very good about my success, and it is awesome for me because I cleared it in my first attempt only. So I'm very delighted and excited to start my journey from this little step. So I'm very happy for that.
That's amazing, Vishal. You cleared it in your first attempt. That's a huge thing. I've met people who have been giving it for 5 years, like 9 attempts or 10
Yes,
attempts. So this is great.
yes.
Okay, my next question to you is, where are you from? Which city are you from? And what are you studying, or have you finished your studies?
Ma'am, I am from Lucknow, and I'm doing my MCom Pure Commerce from JNPG College, Lucknow. And due to Corona, ma'am, it is late to complete my masters. So still, I'm waiting for my final year exams, and um, this is just I want to say in this.
All right. Okay. My next question would be that can you point out some preparation strategies that you followed and that helped you in clearing this exam?
I'm totally dependent on human Peritus study material. Yeah, because it is precise, comprehensive, accurate, and updated. It is. I'm so happy to be a part of Human Peritus team because it completely synced the course of and study material every 6 months, and therefore it provide me the knowledge about the latest trends and pattern. So, and I'm very happy about the detailed answers with explanations in each test you are providing. It is very helpful as a student, and it almost solve all my queries. So I'm totally reliable on Human Peritus study material. I did not refer any site or material for my exams when I appeared. So with the help of this only and other books of my undergraduation and post graduation, I cleared that in first attempt test, and I followed their strategy also, which is provided on their site and the videos on YouTube channel. So I am happy for that, and to be a great part of Human Peritus team, and for providing me such a guidelines. So thank you, Human Peritus.
That's such kind words from you, Vishal. You're very kind. And my next question is that I'm aware, as you told me, that you're interested in teaching, but you are an artistic person.
Yes.
You do sketching. You also have a YouTube channel about cooking with your brother. So how did this artistic guy get interested in teaching profession?
So I started. I'm interested in arts from my young age only, but I started. My brother started this cooking channel in lockdown only. So it is not a new thing. And in sketching, I'm interested from young age only. I am very fond of sketching, and at regular intervals, I am interested to do it.
Okay.
And for the future purpose, I want to become a professor in any of the prestigious college or institution. So it is my first step to clear my NET exam, and after that we will see what to do.
Okay, Vishal. My last question to you is, if you had to give one important tip to someone who's preparing for the exam right now, for the December attempt or whatever the next attempt is, what will that tip be? Like the most important thing about, maybe it's about time management or anything else. Can you suggest?
One of the my tips is that just don't wait for the course completion and start doing the mock test from beginning only, so it can give you the better idea how the environment of giving tests in real time. And um, I prefer the basics for the NET exam. It is very important to go to the deep basics of our course. Uh, I observed that only NET is com- NET is completely based on 60 to 70% the basic questions, and the human paritas mock test helped me a lot, and I just feel like a real time exams which I have given on mock tests.
That's amazing, Vishal. And those tips will be very valuable for someone who's looking forward to giving this exam. And you're an inspiration for those who want to do it in the first attempt. So I think this will motivate a lot of people. Thank you for joining us and taking out time to talk to us.
Okay.